Hey friends, if you encounter Realtek Semiconductor Corp extension install error, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So it says that Realtek supply manufacturers with a generic audio driver and some PC customize the Realtek driver to suit their hardware. And if that is the case with the PC, then they should not install the Realtek driver provided by Windows at all. So I think this answer should suffice for a lot of users. But if the Realtek driver update is causing issues on your PC, you can use the Microsoft Show Hide button to hide the update. Okay, which means that if this problem is occurring on your system and you are unable to do that, then you can hide the tool in the update. And I'll tell you, you don't need to use the tool for it. You can actually pause the update for a while till the next update comes up, which will probably not push those drivers. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu and go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select pause for 1 week. That's it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.